Here I have Samsung Galaxy F04, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the battery and device care section, then go to the storage, swipe to the SD card, tap on 3 dots here and select format. Then confirm it, and after a few seconds SD card will be formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.